St. Patrick's Day is this coming Tuesday, March 17th, so I want to do a quick pot of gold with a touch of green little eye makeup look for you in case you want to do a little festive look for your holiday this week. I've already done my face, so I'm just going to do the eyes and a little bit on the cheeks. So here we go. I will put in the captions or somewhere on this video here the products that I'm using on my face to create this look. Still figuring out the secrets of applying eyeliner on camera. I had to pause it so I could finish. It's not even. This wing is better than this one. So it goes. But I had to pause to correct a few things. So next up, mascara. Alright, that is my whole look. Thanks for watching. Happy St. Patrick's Day and celebrate responsibly.